Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today we're going to be continuing on my declutter of my clothing. Previously we did workout clothes, and now we're moving on to things like t-shirts, tank tops, that sort of thing. Sweaters, sweatshirts, that'll be a separate video. I don't have time to deal with that today, or frankly the energy. So the reason I've switched to doing this declutter of my clothes as opposed to focusing solely on makeup right now is because I'm actually going to be going on tour for my job in February and March. So I needed to do a clean out of my apartment to figure out, what do I need to take with me on this trip, and this is a good time to get rid of stuff I really don't need anymore. So I figured I would go through everything and it would make packing a ton easier. Also, it sort of daunts me to think about I have to pack for an 8-week trip, plus I have to pack all my makeup for 8 weeks. What doesn't get to come with me? What is important enough to come? So that'll be a video all on its own, but for now we're just going to keep going through this. There will be makeup videos coming later this week, no worries on that, and I will be filming while I'm away. I'll just be taking it on the road. So let's get started. And so I have two bins. I have a white bin and a black bin. So the black bin is anything I'm going to be getting rid of, and the white bin is anything I'm going to be keeping. Anyway, so I pulled all of my tank tops here, and my t-shirts are here, and then the crop tops are behind me. We'll deal with them last. So it's sort of like a very drapey, flowy shirt. It's really pretty, and I love the pattern on it, but to be honest, it's not very flattering for me. I think that you have to be very slender for this to hang correctly, otherwise it sort of gets caught on business, so I'm gonna let that go. I do love the fabric. Let's see what else. So this is one of my Zelda tank tops. There's a lot of Zelda themed stuff, a lot of video game themed stuff in my clothes. This is a pretty comfy tank. It does have like really low armholes for no reason, but it's cute for the gym because then you can, if I have a pretty sports bra, you can see it. So for now, I guess I'll keep that one. This is like an anthro one that's got ties up the back. I would like to keep that. That's pretty comfy in the summertime. I think this came from like a TJ Maxx. It's like a beautiful ruffly shirt. I don't really wear it though. Like, it's pretty, but I don't think I need to keep that either. So this is a Zelda tank top. I do want to keep this one. I just cut the sleeves off of it. It's very comfy. From Fabletics. I probably should put this with my workout gear. This is sort of, it's got a very plunging neckline, but like it looks cute if you've got like a sports bra on. So do I like this enough to keep this? I mean, it's okay. Maybe I'll get rid of that too. Why not? This shirt's from Target. I do really like this shirt. Unfortunately, the elastic on it really starts to cut into my shoulders, and it's not very comfortable after a while. Like, it's a beautiful color. I think it's so pretty. I don't know if there's any way I can fix that either. I don't think taking the elastic out would help either, because it's got this cute little like split back and everything. It's adorable, but it's not comfy. I shouldn't keep things that aren't comfortable. What's the point? This is like this actually is kind of like a crop top. It's a really interesting fabric. It's pretty heavy duty, but it's like an office crop top. I do like this shirt. I just haven't figured out what pants to wear with it. So I think I'm going to try to figure that out before I get rid of it. Oh, this is a little long sleeve shirt. I got this at Macy's. It might be Free People, actually. It is. So it's just really pretty button-up shirt. I don't wear this very often, and I really need to wear it like soon, because I think the last time I wore it was at least a year ago. It is really pretty, but I need to wear it or else I can't keep it anymore. It's just a little random cotton tank. I think it's just got like a lower back. This one I don't actually like. The straps don't sit right. They're like, it was a cheap tank top, and you can tell. Black tank top. Oh, this is from the Gap. This is just a really soft tank top, but I think like these like little bra straps, I don't really think that's a thing that I want to look. That's not like the look I want to have right now, and they're a little scratchy. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh, this is just a plain black tank from like Banana. It's fine. It's a perfectly serviceable black tank. It's the only one I have right now, so I will keep that. But this blue polka dot one, this one you can just really tell it's showing its age. It's getting a little discolored, and I don't wear this one very much anymore. So I think this one I'm gonna let that one go. Oh, this is a Zelda tank top. It's got Master Sword on it and the Triforce. I do want to keep this, so this I'm gonna keep. And this is an Alice in Wonderland tank top. It's just very soft. I really like these sort of like racer back tanks. They're really comfy, and I wear a lot of sports bras out, so this is good to like change into afterwards. And this one's also one of these. It's a Zelda one. I do want to keep this. And what am I sitting on? Oh, there's another Zelda one. This is actually from Majora's Mask. This is my favorite game, my favorite Zelda game. I really love it. This is from a marine surplus store in Provincetown in Massachusetts. It's super soft and flowy and drapey, and it's very comfortable, and I have two. I have a yellow one and like a dark blue one, and I do want to keep both of those. This one is from Fangamer. This has a Moogle on it in the middle of all these flowers. This one's really pretty. I just picked this one up. I got this at Comic-Con in New York in 2017. Oh, this is what I wore for New Year's. It's actually from Star Wars, so I have my Rebel symbol. It's got glitter on it. And then in a super throwback move, you put this mesh shirt on top of it. I just was really amused by the fact that this kind of shirt is back now. Like, I used to have these years ago. This is like a long black tunic. I usually wear this like to work if I have to sort of be more like business casual with a pair of pants. So that I will keep. Two more. I have this sparkly one. This is like my party crop shirt. This is very pretty. I do need to try to wear this more often. I don't want to have like too many like party only shirts, because oftentimes if I'm going to go to a party, I'm probably going to wear a dress anyway, and these are never going to get worn. So I need to just try to wear this soon, otherwise I'm going to have to get this out. And then last we have this. It's just like a long tunic shirt. This one is getting pretty old and is not in the greatest of shape. Like, it's starting to get a little pilly under the arms. I think this shirt's one of those things, I'm going to wear it this summer and then it's going to get retired. I'm keeping 17 items, but I'm getting rid of 7, so that's pretty good. Mr. Locke also approves. Hello, buddy. So I'm going to put this stuff away and then we're going to move on to the next one. Anyway, Locke has put himself in the keep box because he absolutely is a keeper. But we're going to continue anyway. He doesn't mind if I stack things on him. So next we'll move on to t-shirts. I have counted through these. There are 34 of them. I think I should reasonably expect to get rid of about 10. Like, I think at least 10 need to go. So if I'm starting to lose focus, I have to at least get to that. So let's get started. So first up we have this. This is a Star Wars t-shirt that I just picked up over the holidays. Got this at Macy's. I do want to keep this. So that's a keeper. This is just a plain black t-shirt from Target. I would like to keep this one as well. It's very comfy, but if it came down to it, I wouldn't have to keep this one, but I do like it. So for now, I'm going to put it in the keep pile. This is another black, like, long tunic-y shirt. This is super soft, and I also would like to keep it. I know I'm starting out strong, keeping 3 black t-shirts. So this is actually both a Star Trek joke and an MTA joke for all those New York City people, so this is a very amusing shirt to me. I would like to keep this as well. This long shirt here, this is very soft. It's sort of sheer. I like to wear it with like a pretty tank top or a pretty sports bra underneath it. It's like the softest shirt in the world. I do love to take it around with me. I also wear it like over a bathing suit, so this I would like to keep. Sort of like a cropped tie-up shirt from Anthropologie. It's one of those shirts that shows up on the sale rack and you wonder what's wrong with it. And actually, this one's very comfy. It's not like hilariously oversized or like with really weird sleeves or asymmetrical. Like, it's a normal shirt. It's just got a little bit of a tie in the front, so it's very cute. And then I have a couple of these shirts. These are all shirts that are related to like the Hannibal TV show, which I really loved. So these I do all want to keep. I don't love the cut necessarily on all these shirts, but I do like the shirts themselves. I just think they're really, it's like really neat artwork. It's like it's a lot of like fan artwork, because there wasn't a ton of licensed merchandise to buy. So you can get a lot of fan stuff on like websites like Redbubble. Like, this is by Megan Lara. I think I got this on like T-Fury like forever ago, but I think she sells them on her website. Put that there. This is my Futurama t-shirt. I do want to keep this. It's one of my favorite old t-shirts. It's like super soft. It's been washed so many times. I haven't gotten rid of a single shirt yet. This is not going well. Okay, So this is a Metroid t-shirt, and I love it. I think the pattern on this is super cool. However, on this shirt, this shoulder armor here and this shoulder armor here, that doesn't appear in the most flattering spot on a woman, shall we say. So I'm actually going to get rid of this, even though I love the artwork on it. It was not, that design was not thought out as well as I would have liked. While I love the pattern on this, it's not very comfortable. It's sort of like that sort of scratchy heavyweight fabric. So I think this one I'm going to get rid of too. So this t-shirt, this is kind of old. This is, I got this at Comic-Con. It's from a store called Animated Closet. I just loved the shirt. It was super comfy, but it's like super pilly under the arms. It's not in very good shape anymore, so I think this one I also need to let that one go. Oh, these two shirts, these are just old work shirts from a job I don't have anymore, and I don't think I need either of these. I thought actually I had gotten rid of all of like I'm gonna keep this t-shirt so I can like paint a house in it. How often am I gonna paint a house? This shirt is like an inside joke for a board game podcast, and the podcast actually quit going anymore. Like they've stopped making episodes. It's called Flip the Table. It's really funny. I don't really wear it very often now, and I would really only want to wear it if I were like gonna go meet them, but that's not gonna happen because they don't do their podcast. So I guess I'm gonna let that go too. This shirt I don't need. I sweat through this terribly, so I don't need to keep that anymore either. Oh, this shirt I love, but as you'll see, I fold it a certain way because it has glitter all over the front of it. It's from my gym for like celebrating how many classes I had taken. But if you shake it, it sort of like rains a little pitter patter of glitter all over the floor. So while I love this shirt, I can't really wear it. So I'm gonna take it out of the collection. I think I'd kind of like to frame it maybe, but I'm not gonna wear it anymore. So this is gonna come out. I guess I'll put it in the bin, but it's not going to stay. I've gotten rid of 8. I'm trying to even see if there's anything else I really want to get rid of, because like I like all of these shirts. This is another one of those comically oversized shirts that I keep around in case I'm painting a car. I'm not painting those either, so let's get rid of that. That's 9. I don't know what else to get rid of. Why do I make arbitrary numbers? This is just like another pile of like video game shirts. But all of these I do want to keep. Like I want to keep this one, it's really soft. I want to keep this one, it's really soft. And I wear both these all the time. I just wore this one too. This is a slightly scratchier one, so let me put this to the side. This one I really like. This was my dad's. Actually, this was my dad's jersey. That's his fraternity jersey for like when he'd play sports and stuff. So this I do want to keep for sure. This shirt is also super soft. I really like it. This is actually my favorite picture from this game. So like I do want to keep this one. This is a very soft t-shirt. This is a soft t-shirt. I like this shirt a lot. I wish it didn't have this white collar, but I do want to keep it. I guess I don't need to keep this shirt anymore. So there's 10. The rest of these, this is a shirt I like. I do like this shirt. This is sort of like a heavier duty shirt. This is a Metroid shirt, and oh, this is my Die Mighty shirt. So this is the shirt for my friend Coach Fury. He's a trainer here in New York City. He's awesome. So I do want to keep that because I'll be training with him while I'm on the road. So I want to wear that too because it's super comfy. So at this point, so I've gotten rid of 10, and we're still keeping Mr. Locke here, who's in the box, slowly being crushed under the weight of 24 t-shirts. Alright, so I'm going to put these away and put these in the bag to go. And last but not least, we're going to go through like my cropped shirts, that kind of thing. So I have 19 of these shirts here. I think I want to get rid of at least 5, and if I get more than that, that's great too. But this is like an older shirt that I turned into a crop top. It's very cute, but I don't think I've actually worn it because it's not a very soft t-shirt material, and I really like my shirts to be soft. So we're going to let that go. This is just a little black crop top from Forever 21. I do want to keep that. So there's also this one, which is a little bit longer, that I'd cut the sleeves off of. It's not in the best shape. I think I'm going to let that one go. And then these 3, I got all 3 of these at H&M. It's a black and white one, a gray one, and a black. I want to keep all of these because I do really like those. They were super comfortable, and they were like $3.99. These 2, these are exactly the same, just one is red and one is black. If I was going to wear one, I'd wear this one, so I'll get rid of that one. This little crop top just has really pretty flowers on it. This one I want to keep. This used to be a romper, and I cut the shorts off. It's really cute now. Oh, there's another black crop top. This one has lace on it. This one's very pretty. I do like to wear this in the summer. I'm going to keep that one. This orange shirt. This sort of is like a high neck and like a zipper up back. I got this at like Anthropologie. It's cute, but it's sort of like, it's really prim because it's got a high collar, but it also is short, and like the armholes are kind of big, and so it's sort of like shows your bra even if you're trying. So it's not really work appropriate, but I don't really, it's not the shirt I would pick if I was going out with my friends either, so get rid of that. Oh, this is like a little stretchy shirt. I got this at Target. It's very cute. I don't think that the elastic in this has more than another year in it, but I do want to keep it for this year. Keep that. Same with this guy. This is actually relatively new. I got this. It's like a Free People shirt, and it's not very great shape already, and I've only worn it like 5 or 6 times, but I just bought it last summer. So I do think I'll wear it this summer, and then I think that's going to get retired. So this is my Hamilton tank top. So this is something that Aaron Burr says a lot in the show. I really love the show. I love this tank top, although I only wear this around theater people because otherwise people might get the wrong idea of what it means. This is my Jurassic Park shirt, so I do enjoy this one. This actually still has tags on it. Luckily, not very much of my stuff does. I try to wear my new things. So I just picked this up actually. But it's very cute. It's a little crop top with like a cut up back. So this I'm going to wear. This is going to come with me on the trip, I'm pretty sure. And then I have, oh, this is just a little crop top. It's got a little unicorn on it and stripes. I want to keep this. And this is from Target. And while I love the idea of it, because it's not super like high quality fabric, like I love Target stuff, don't get me wrong, but sort of like the fabric just gets kind of wrinkled and not as cute. So now that I've worn it and washed it a few times, it does not look as nice as it started out. So I actually think I'm gonna let this go too. So let's see, how do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! We got rid of 5. Awesome. So I'm gonna put that away. I'll take a picture of the full closet and I'll include that so you guys can see what that looks like. And here's everything very neatly put away with the help of the beautiful Emma. She is also very useful. And then last up, so this is what's coming next. Dun dun dun! Yeah, let's close that. Nobody needs to look at that right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. I promise there'll be more makeup videos. It's going to be some declutter stuff interspersed in there because this is stuff I need to get done in January anyway, and it actually helps me to film it because it keeps me on task. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!